Boom! Today's word is full of action. Get ready for some big energy. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is collide. Can you say it with me? Collide. Let's spell it together. Ready? C-O-L-L-I-D-E. That spells collide. Collide means to crash into something with force. Here are some words that mean the same as collide. Say them with me. Crash, like two cars bumping into each other. Smash, like a ball breaking a block tower. Bump, like running into a friend by accident in the hallway. Hit, like a baseball hitting a bat. Slam, like a door closing too hard. Each one shows the power of things coming together with force. Now let's look at the opposites of collide. Avoid, like stepping around a puddle. Miss, like swinging at a ball but not hitting it. Separate, like two puzzle pieces that don't fit. Veer, like turning your bike so you don't crash. Sidestep, like moving out of the way in dodgeball. That's what happens when you don't collide. Sofia saw two dodgeballs collide in midair during gym. The balls crashed into each other and bounced away in different directions. Here's what we know now. Collide means to crash into something with force. Synonyms: crash, smash, bump, hit, slam. Antonyms: avoid, miss, separate, veer, sidestep. Collisions show us that big changes can happen quickly, and we can learn from them. Use your eyes today. Notice when two things collide, like toys bumping or balls bouncing, and describe what happened. Collisions remind us that change can happen fast. But every bump is a chance to learn. Keep bouncing forward, word explorers. See you tomorrow for another adventure with Word Up with Sofia.